Create item in the SOLIDWORKS. The relevant document part. Begin with a sketch on a plane, or first of all activate the command on the panel Features, select plane and create the sketch. Exit from sketch and change direction and distance, depth, fade depth. Further, in accordance with the detail of configuration, to create new elements. On that plate, create sketch a circle and exit from sketch and create extruded cut. Extruded cut throughout all, some drift, wait a moment please. Some draft set, or add some element on that plate, create sketch and create triangular, excite scale that or that excite, and extruded, create extruded boss base, and to create another construction.